I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another foundation wear test for you, and it's another drugstore foundation, and it is the Maybelline 24-hour full coverage foundation. It's the Super Stay foundation. I picked mine up at Ulta. I got mine for $11.99, and there are 16 shades in this foundation. So you can see there are quite a few, especially for a drugstore foundation. I feel like that's pretty good. I feel like there's a good portion of fair shades, medium shades, and deep shades for a 16 color range. It does come in a glass bottle with a pump, which I love, and it is the standard 1 fluid ounce size. And I want to read some of the claims on this foundation. It says, details, be your own professional makeup artist with Maybelline's Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. Saturated color pigments provide an ultra transforming effect in this long-lasting foundation. The lightweight yet high impact coverage formula glides onto the skin for a flawless finish that lasts all day. Benefits, oil-free, doesn't clog pores, dermatologist tested, full coverage foundation with a seamless finish, evens out, camouflages, and enhances, okay, minimizes the appearance of flaws and imperfections, and glides onto skin for smooth and breathable wear. How to use, it says apply to the face and blend with fingertips, sponge, or
sponge. I think I just made up a new word.
How to apply, it says apply the face.
Apply the face. Alright.
How to use, apply to the face and blend it with fingertip, sponge, or blender. So those are the details on the foundation. So let's go ahead and jump into the application and the wear test. Okay, so as always, I'm going to prime my face with my Too Faced Primed and Peachy Primer. Now I'm going to grab the Maybelline 24-hour, what's the official name? Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. So I'm going to start with 1 pump. I love that it comes with a pump. And I'm going to take my damp sponge and blend it out. Okay, color-wise, I think it actually looks pretty dang good. I got the color, what is this? 120 Classic Ivory. So now I'm going to take another pump. And I'm going to blend this side out with a brush. I'm going to use my Clarisonic foundation brush. So right off the bat, I can definitely tell that the Beauty Blender side has definitely been more thinned out, as where the Clarisonic brush side has definitely been like built up more, and it definitely looks more full coverage. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my face. I'm going to use the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Flawless Wear Concealer. This is in the color Light, and it's the cool tone one. It's 1C. I'm really liking this concealer. The only thing I kind of wish was different was just the applicator. I've gotten used to the big giant doe foot applicator in Shape Tape, but it is what it is. Blend it out with my sponge. Okay, now I'm just going to set under my eyes. This is the MAC Patrick Star Powder in my M554 brush. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Peach Perfect Powder and my E41 brush. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my face, and I will be right back. Alright, so it is right now, it's 5 o'clock, right on the dot. My makeup is completely finished. And I actually filmed the eye look for this video. That will be in a separate video. I think I'm going to post the eye look first, and then now the foundation wear test. So if you want to see this eye makeup look, go back to my last video. But yeah, so it's 5 o'clock. So this is what we look like. Let me just look up close. It's definitely full coverage, like full coverage. Yeah, I don't really see a ton of issues right off the bat. I am worried, I'm going to say it right now, I'm worried that it's going to get cakey. So we'll just see how it all plays out throughout the day, and I'll be back later to check in. Hey guys, alright, welcome back. It is now...
It's 2:15.
Thank you, Mickey. So that means, let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 9 hours that this foundation has been on. I'm definitely not leaving it on for 24 hours. It's ridiculous. But let's go ahead and zoom on in and see what's going on with my face. By the way, it's like my parents' birthday going on right now, and we took my dad to this place called the Axe Arena here in Utah. And it's basically like bowling meets axe throwing. You take an axe and you huck it at this bullseye, this wooden bullseye. Yeah. My dad, I had no idea he was so good at throwing axes. It was like bullseye, 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 miss, bullseye, 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 bullseye. I'm going to insert a video of it right now for you. Enjoy.
I'm a boss ass bitch, 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 bitch. I'm a boss ass bitch, 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 bitch. I'm a boss ass bitch, 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 bitch. I'm a boss ass bitch, 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 bitch.
Yep, that's what he is. Anyways, hope you enjoyed that. So let's go ahead and see what my skin looks like. So I'm definitely seeing oils here on my T-zone. I don't see as much patching though, like on my forehead as there usually is. Not a ton has come off of my nose, and then it's worn off on my chin because we did take my parents out for a nice dinner too. So let's go ahead and touch it up and see what's going on. Yeah, on the side of my nose it held up pretty good too. So just the normal.
Here comes the oil. Doo 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 doo. There is the oil.
Not a ton of foundation on there, but there is definitely still some.
You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out.
And there's that one. Still full with oil, but it's not like as soaked as the first one. It's never as soaked as my forehead one. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and touch up with my Rimmel Stay Matte. And like, it just kind of looks like the texture has been flattened out. Let's see. I had said earlier that I was afraid that this was going to look cakey. But it's like not looking as cakey as I was thinking it might. So I am impressed. Okay, not bad at all, you guys, especially for 9-ish hours, right around there. That's not bad at all. Like, I've definitely used some more high-end foundations that are, you've seen they've splotched like more throughout my forehead. It's worn off more on my chin and my nose. Yeah, I'm impressed with this one. So this one's getting my stamp of approval as well. I really like this one too. So 2 drugstore foundations recently that aren't even $10, that or actually this one I think was $11.99, but around the $10 mark. So 2 new drugstore foundations that have been really, really good that I really am liking right now. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like this one as much, but I mean, the proof is in the pudding, right? And look at my face, it looks really good. So it's not splotchy, my highlight is still here, and it stayed, it lasted. So yeah, so if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a big ol' thumbs up. Leave me any comments, requests, questions, anything down below. I love to talk to you guys. And subscribe, join my little crew, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.